Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to retract or cancel an offer on eBay. If you have changed your mind or made an accidental offer, don't worry, it's easy to fix. First of all, open your eBay app. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. Let's talk about offer first. So in some items, you can offer and negotiate the pricing. Like, I want to buy this one. When you scroll down the product page, here you can see and make an offer. You tap on it, and over here you can negotiate the pricing. Let's head back and let's get back to the topic. Once you are on the main page, go to My eBay in bottom left corner, tap on it. Now tap on Bids and Offer. Over here you will find all your pending offers. Right now I don't have any pending offers over here, but I will guide you through the process about how to cancel or retract the offers. After finding all your pending offers, scroll through and locate the offer that you want to retract or cancel. Once you found, click on More Action next to the offer. From the drop-down menu, click on Retract Offer. If you have decided to cancel the offer entirely, this is an option for you. After tapping on Retract Offer, a confirmation message will pop up asking you why you want to retract or cancel the offer. Select the region and click on Confirm. Your offer will now be successfully retracted or cancelled, and the seller will be notified. If you change your mind again, feel free to make a new offer. And that's it. Retracting or cancelling an offer on eBay is simple. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.